So this is what we are going to be making today, and I believe this is called, well, there's different things that this is actually called. It's a very popular stitch, very easy stitch, um, but I call it the building block stitch, and I've done this in a lavender color and in a yellow color. Very pretty, only 2-row repeat, guys, that's it. And one of them is just mostly chain, single crochet and chain. Very easy. So let's go ahead and get started on this. There's so much that you can make with this. And like I said, level is considered easy. So let's get started. Just using a 3-weight yarn. You can use really any yarn you want, any size hook you want. I just happen to be using a 5.0 and a 3-weight yarn. Okay, so we're going to start off with our chain. It's a chain, a multiple of 5. So just put your hook behind the yarn, twist around like that, grab your yarn and pull through the loop on your hook. So that's 1 chain, 2 chain, 3, 4, and 5. So just keep doing a multiple of 5 according to the size that you want for your project. So I'm going to do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I'll do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'll go ahead and do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so once you get your multiple of 5 that you're happy with, go ahead and add 3 to the very end of it. 1, 2, and 3. So now we're going to start on our foundation row. Oh, and by the way, this is only a 2-row repeat, guys, so you're going to love it. The skill level is considered easy. Okay, so we're going to make 1 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4th chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert your hook in that 4th chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. So you actually have this chain 3 here represents a double crochet, and you have a double crochet. Okay, so now for this, the next thing, we're going to double crochet in each of the next 3 chains. So yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So that was, you just made 1, 2, and we're going to make another. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so we now have our chain 3, which represents a double crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 1 more. So we're going to double crochet in that next chain. And guys, this will be your foundation row. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to chain 1. We're going to skip this next chain, and in the next 4 chains, we're going to put a double crochet. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we just made a double crochet in the next 4 chains here. So we've got our chain 3, which represents a double crochet. So we have 5 double crochets, skip a chain, chain 1, 4 double crochets. Okay, so we're going to chain 1, skip the next chain, and make a double crochet in the next 4 chains. So skip this next chain and put a double crochet in the next 4 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so here's what you have now. So go ahead and chain 1. And now we're at the end of our row, so we're going to skip the next chain, and we're going to put a double crochet in the last 5 chains. So skip this next chain, put a double crochet in the last 5 chains. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and a double crochet in that last makes 5, because you want your ends to mirror each other. Okay, so that's our what we call our foundation row. Okay, so for row 1, we are going to chain 1 and we're going to turn our work. Now, chain 1 is probably the easiest row to do ever. So we're going to single crochet in this first stitch right here. So just insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. You just made a single crochet. Now we're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to skip all this. To make your single crochet in this chain 1 space, just insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, and that's your single crochet. Okay, so now you're going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip those double crochets in that chain 1 space. You're going to make another single crochet, just like that. So chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip all those double crochets, and in that chain 1 space, you're going to make a single crochet. Okay, so chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to skip the 4 double crochets, and in that last double crochet, or rather it was the chain 3, you're going to make a single crochet in the top of that chain 3 space. So here's what you have now. That was row 1. Okay, so for row 2, we are going to chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to turn your work, and you're going to make a double crochet in each of these chain 4 spaces right here. So let's go ahead and make a double crochet, 4 double crochets in this chain 4 space. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you've got your chain 3 right here, which represents a double crochet. You have your 4 double crochets. Now you're going to chain 1. You're going to skip that single crochet you made right there and put 4 double crochets in the chain 4 space. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1, skip that single crochet, put 4 double crochets in the chain 4 space. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's what you have so far. Chain 1, skip that single crochet, put 4 double crochets in the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. But you've got to mirror this end, so you're going to put a double crochet in the top of that single crochet. Okay, so this end mirrors this end. Okay, and that's all you do. You just keep repeating rows 1 and 2. Let's do row 1 again. You're going to chain 1, turn your work. You're going to put a single crochet right here, in that first single crochet. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip all those. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip all the double crochets. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Skip the double crochets. Single crochet in the chain 1 space. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Skip the 4 double crochets, and in the top of the chain 3, make a single crochet. So that was one of your repeat rows. That was row 1. So for row 2, your other repeat row, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And this is where we'll do our double crochets. Okay, so that's chain 3 represents a double crochet, so put 4 double crochets in the chain 4 space. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead and chain 1, skip that single crochet, 4 double crochets in your chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1, skip that single crochet, 4 double crochets in the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1, skip that single crochet, 4 double crochets in the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And instead of chain 1, because you're at the end, you need to make a double crochet in the top of that single crochet. There you go. And that's all you do to it. You just keep repeating rows 1 and 2. This is very easy, guys. You can do this. And if there's parts that you're having problems with, you can go into your setting mode on YouTube and slow the speed down if you need to. All right, guys. I look forward to seeing all the beautiful projects you make with this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.